Hi, my name is Marty and my girlfriend's Agnes. This is Traveling Around the World and this is Ella Part 2. So we're on our way for day 2 in Ella and we're heading to the tea plantation. We got a lot of things to go see. So it's like tea plantation, the bridge, Greenwich Bridge, and also maybe a waterfall. But surprise, surprise, it's also like raining out and really cloudy, so we're not gonna know if we're gonna see anything. Yeah. You can see like it's got some rain going on right here, and it's real cloudy out. So I don't know what's gonna happen.
And at the station, it's better. I didn't take notes for this video. I don't know why. What is it about?
So there's a bunch of stuff. There's lots of stuff to do in Ella, and this day we were going to try and get a whole bunch of stuff done. So the first thing we did was go to a tea plantation. No, tea plantation. No.
We thought that we were going to a tea plantation, but in reality, we were taken to a tea factory. And I don't want to go into details what we heard there because I hardly remember anything. It was very educational and it was really fun to be there. It was really interesting and we learned a lot about tea, like which parts of the leaf they use, like I don't know, you can only harvest this much of the plant because other parts, the older parts just don't have those antioxidants and important stuff that makes tea an amazing brew or amazing beverage.
But I'm really glad that we went to we saw the factory and stuff, because even now it's like, now we're even talking about it, I want that tea now.
Oh yeah, he turned into a tea snob.
It made you feel like it was really, it's not like super exciting thing to do, but it's a definitely fun thing to do.
Yeah, no, it was like maximum 2 hours, the whole thing.
Yeah.
How is it?
So good.
So what can we know about this one?
This is the opa, we say young.
Oh, so this is the
and
top
without too
of
much
the
of
leaf.
pressure, without too much of temperature, we try to break it.
So there's this bridge the train goes over called 9 Points Bridge.
9 Arch.
9 Arch Bridge.
9 Arch Bridge, yeah. Actually, we have one in Hungary too. Yeah.
But the rain had picked back up again, so we just went and took some pictures, and it was nice. And then we had...
Yeah. No, it was actually really, really, for me, it was like etymology study.
Okay, so our next stop, we made it to the 9 Arch Bridge, and we're going to shoot some photos there, and I'm going to try to send...
Yes, don't leave me out. Yes, the weather is just perfect. Perfect for photos and the drone and yeah.
But it looks nice.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. My rain magic works again.
It's a light rain.
It's a light rain, but annoying enough. No, I'm scared. Okay, no, I can't do it.
All right, let's finish it off. There we go. Etymology.
Did I use it correctly or no?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, then please cut this out. No, it's etymology. No, oh sorry, that's for the word. No, anthropology.
Anthropology.
Okay, so cut this part and I'm going to say it again. So it was like an anthropology study for me, seeing all the people, everyone try to take a perfect picture and I throw a hissy fit because I couldn't, because there were people behind me in like bright red clothes and it absolutely didn't fit my concept. Okay, so the train actually has a selfie time, a selfie break. It's amazing and ridiculous at the same time.
So maybe we're gonna get another chance at this?
Okay, wait a fucking second. This train is blue. Why did the guy tell me that the blue train is not running anymore?
I don't think this is that specific blue train that everyone talks about.
Okay, yeah, probably not. I'm confused. It's hilarious.
The most exciting part was I've been watching Instagram and all these drone shots of waterfalls and how beautiful it was.
Yeah.
So I wanted to go to a
Yeah,
waterfall.
You took some beautiful videos of the bridge.
Yeah.
Amazing one.
And they're gone now.
We took some really amazing videos. Marty took some really amazing videos of the Nine-Hour Bridge. It's like perfect. At one point, he actually lost the drone, and the drone just flew through the bridge to the other end of it. But he found it. I mean, someone found it for you, and he was just so happy to get it back. And after that, we went to the waterfalls. You can finish it now.
The drone disappeared.
Yeah, he lost the drone. Martin lost the drone.
Martin didn't lose the drone, we lost the drone.
No, you lost the drone.
I told you what was gonna happen.
No.
I told you it was like gonna...
Yeah, so we took some really, really nice drone pictures at the bridge, and they are gone with the drone, which was my drone.
It disconnected and now it's somewhere and we can't find it in this giant mountain. Unless by luck somehow it just... Like even if it fell down, it'd be like in these bushes and we can't get down there. It's raining and it's muddy.
No, it's nothing impossible. Martin goes looking for the drone. Okay, Martin, next time please let me know if my piercing is not in the right angle, because actually it drives me crazy to see it. That it was... Wow, Martin let one end in and it brought the whole family.
You let one in.
No. He's happy that he can.
All of selfie with them.
We are selfie.
Yeah, selfie.
Oh yeah, yes, of course. Yeah.
Our hosts were very kind and very helpful. And the train, the first video, the train was still the blue train. I were able to get all the photographs and all the things for the Instagram that she wanted. So we got the train ride, which is gonna
take us to Kandy, and yeah, it's gonna be 7 hours. Fun. Yeah.
I've been on trains before, but I don't know if I've ever been on a train like this before.
Wow, is my makeup like that shitty, or these are just the shadows? Okay, so I'm the victim of something that I cannot really name, but I keep getting these stupid non-window seats. Look at this. Everyone's got a normal window, but me. And my lips are killing.
I hope you really enjoy this channel, because I do. Like, this is what I live with, just constant, just problems all the time. Just issues all the time.
Seriously, is it too big thing to ask to have a normal window? It's like, I swear the guy who sold us the tickets just fucking hated my guts. Looked at me and it's like, okay bitch, I'll give you the shittiest seat. Here you are.
I don't think he actually knows which seats have windows.
Pretty sure he's an expert. Yeah.
So we're gonna be on here for the next 7 to 9 hours.
Yeah, we don't know. Maybe that angle is really shitty. It's a much better angle.
And the train, the first video, the train was still the blue train. I were able to get all the photographs and all the things for the Instagram that she wanted.
We had like a little fight there because Martin at some point just gave up and he was like, I'm not taking more pictures of you. And yeah, I really just want one good picture. It's like, it's not.
They're all good pictures.
Thank you for watching, and stay with us the next time too.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.